Okay. Well, finally got the tie rod out. We just unbolted the hub. It was easy peasy. Plus, it gives us a chance to really clean this all up really well. So tie rod's out. I'm about to put the tool on there and pop that real quick. Bobby actually decided to finally do some work today. I mean, how's it going over here? Yeah, I know. I got him out today. It's Tuesday. Hey now. Calm down. Remember, I stole you $1 million. So he's helping me out getting the brake caliper off. He got the sensor out. And yeah, we're just moving along. Work. More work. It's gonna be nice and pretty ones now. I can't wait.
Clean.
Oh, what's up, buddy?
Hey.
But yeah, we'll get you guys an update here. All right, so I unbolted the hub on the other side because that rotor
is rusted on.
It did not want to come off.
This one's coming off.
He says this one's moving, so which is good. Let's make it a little bit easier.
Get in there with your left hand and catch that caliper, please. Thank you.
Oh yeah.
Ow.
That's what you get.
That's like when you slip out and it hits the taint.
Oh man, I wasn't ready.
It hits the taint. Jam it.
Look, I don't want to know what you and Scotty do after hours.
What?
What?
Oh, you.
He says that now, ladies and gentlemen. Boys and girls. Sometime today.
I know it. God damn it.
Oh, that's gonna hurt. That's gonna hurt.
I got it. All right, you go. Ooh. All right.
Okay.
One rotor off.
Cool. All right, well, we'll get back to you guys in a bit. Got the shock out of the way. We're gonna get the sway bar link out of the way. We saw that we got the rotor out of the way. So as soon as I kind of have the lower control arm out that side, I'll come hit it up this side real quick. It won't take that long. So I'll show you the progress. Okay. Oh, what's missing? What is missing? Oh, it's over there. There's the knuckle. Other control arm. So those will be ready to go pretty soon. I am getting ready to go ahead and do all this. Same thing on this side. Get this all done and ready. Yay. You're not enthused over there, Bobby? Yay. All right, well, there we go.